My name is Bish Bogle. I'm the engineering manager for AM1 Projects Limited.
I'm Damien Harding, project manager for AM1 Projects.
I'm Ellie Mardell, project administrator for AM1 Projects.
I'm John Masterson. I'm engineering director for AM1 Projects.
At AM1 Projects, we deal with mainly HV and LV installations on the railways. So some of the challenges we face on a regular basis would be changes that happen on site. There are times when we have to think on our feet and update all the paperwork that we have.
Gathering information was always difficult because we had to do it with a pen and paper. Your paper's ripping, your pen's not working, and you've got reams of paperwork that you could potentially lose, drop.
We were using a variety of handwritten forms, Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, emails, photographs, etc.
We'd only really do site diaries via another platform, but that was all that platform really allowed.
So we've been looking for a solution for, I'd say, anywhere between 6 to 10 months. Our HSQE director was the first one who came across Dashpivot. On paper, it seemed to tick all the boxes. I mainly use Dashpivot for inspection and test plans. We use it for site attendance, so all our operatives and staff coming on site, logging them on and logging them out. The QR function for Sitemate is really handy, and it came to light during COVID as well that we could do contactless attendance.
The site guys also use it for van defect forms and timesheets, mileage forms, expenses. In the office, we use it for ITPs, safety audits, site briefings again. There's so many things you can use it for.
Dashpivot has really helped us with managing and monitoring compliance. We can use forms and documentation that clients mandate, and we get a consistent flow of information to know that we're actually becoming compliant with the project whilst we're building it.
It was a breath of fresh air. I didn't have to use paperwork anymore. I can manage the guys remotely, check in to see whether the works they've been tasked to do are complete, or when they're taking pictures on site, they can mark the pictures up. It also shows the location where they are.
The software's got raving reviews within the company. Even our clients prefer the output from Dashpivot, the way it's been laid out, and our flexibility to add anything that the client wants easily and turn it around really quickly.
Being able to just drag and drop the questions and the answers make it so easy.
I would thoroughly recommend using Dashpivot. It makes our life so much easier here. We get information presented to us in a consistent and accurate fashion, and we use that information readily to enable us to put together handback documentation, etc. for clients.
I'd recommend Dashpivot to anyone who's looking to modernise and streamline their business and remove the need for paperwork.
It's a great system, really easy for the staff to use, really easy for us to review. It's fantastic.